In the description below, we will have all the ingredients listed. Be sure to have your toddler wash their hands before and after touching food. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 350.
So first we're going to start out by making some pumpkin cookies. Yeah. Should we make some cookies for Papa?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, so first we're going to take the flour, which we've already measured out 5 cups of flour.
Cup.
Yeah. And then we are going to add in baking powder and baking soda.
Okay,
can you pour that in there? First of all, it's 5 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Oh. Yeah, you don't want to spill. It's okay. Okay, should we stir it just a little bit now? A little stir. We are going to add in 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, a teaspoon of ground cloves, a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then we're going to mix it together. Can you mix it? So we're going to move that back and set it aside. Are you get it all together there?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. And we are going to add...
Mama.
What, sweetheart?
Mama.
Okay, here we go. We're adding in 2 cups of pumpkin puree. And this here, we actually grow our own pumpkins. We cut them in half, put about an inch or 2 of water in the pan and cook it until it's super soft, and we can just scrape out the pumpkin. Yes. We have 1 cup of butter. We're going to add 1½ cups of white sugar. This is for 4 dozen cookies. This here would be the larger of the 2 recipes. And we're going to cream them together. I'm going to stir it a little bit. Whoops, careful. Oh, yeah. Okay, but keep it in the bowl. Okay. That's why we wash our hands first, huh?
Okay.
No, we already washed our hands. You're good. See, we're squishing it all together. Okay. Now we're going to add our 2 cups of pureed pumpkin. So we'll go ahead and pour in the pumpkin puree. You can use canned pumpkin if you want, but the taste of the fresh pumpkin puree is way better. Eggs right from the chickens outside, so we'll make sure they're good eggs. Can you pour that in? Is it yummy looking?
More.
More? Yep, we need 1 more, don't we? Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you pour it in? Okay. Yeah, you can mix it. Just keep it in the container. Yep, mix them all up. Do a good job. Alright, and then we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Mama, I have baby.
You're going to pour that in? Good job.
Come on.
1 more. Wait, let Grandma do this part. Hold on. Okay, here. Good job. Now can you mix it?
Yep.
Okay.
Brother.
Okay, now we're just going to get after she gets a little bit of mixing in, we're going to go ahead and take a mixer and just make it to where it's all creamy, smooth, and well blended. But I'll let her get her little hands on first, huh? You're such a good cook, huh?
I like to.
You are a good cook.
I like to.
You like to cook?
Yep.
Yep. All right, should we mix in some flour?
Yep.
Okay. Here, you want to hold this spoon?
Yep.
Spices, all of our dried stuff, basically, our cinnamon and all the good nutmeg and stuff. Okay, can you mix that? A little at a time until it gets well blended.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, should we mix a little more in? Do you want Grandma to mix for a little bit? You're gonna put some of this in? Okay. Use the spoon and do it very gentle. I'm just holding on to the bowl so it doesn't fall. We don't want it to fall, do we? We want to have cookies.
No, cookies.
Cookies. Sheets with parchment paper. And as you can see, we got it all mixed up good, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can you take a little bit? Let's go like this here. You go like a scoop.
Two.
And then Grandma will take the butter knife and just make little tiny dollops of dough. You want to do another one?
Yep.
Do another one. So scoop. Oh. Okay. And squish. Is that a good cookie? Do you think Papa like that? Should we get another one?
Yep.
Okay. Can you hold it? I hope Grandma get it on there. Okay, one more. Let's do another one.
We're going to use it. Well,
Yeah.
Mom.
Okay, we got 2 more to do.
Two.
Okay. 1,
Two.
2. Good job.
Two cookies.
Yay!
Cookies.
And all the kids like them. And they're fairly healthy, aren't they? Because we got pumpkin, huh? Pumpkin! Oh, thanks. Oh, I like a hug. Thank you. Say, be back in a second. Say, be back. See you soon.
Bake the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes.
All right. Our cookies are done. So we will pull them out. And then we'll get to try them. Should we try it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you break the cookie. Oh, look at that. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Take a bite.
Up.
Mmm. Is it good? Take a bite. What do you think? Mmm. Is it like? Do you think Papa like that? Okay. Say thank you. Bye.
Bye.